a circle has a diameter of 20. So we're trying to find the area. The equation that we use for area is pi times radius squared. In this problem, the diameter was 20, which means the radius has to be 10. So we want our area to be pi times 10 squared. And 10 squared is 100. We're looking for an exact area. So it should be 100 pi. We don't want to multiply it if we're looking for the exact area. Then once it says approximate, that's when we can use this 3.14. So our exact is 100 pi, and our approximate will be 314. This is in inches squared for both of them. For the circumference, we need pi times the diameter. And in this problem, the diameter was 20. So this is pi times 20. And we're going to use 3.14 for pi, because it says to estimate using 3.14. And that comes out to 62.8, and it's measured in inches. Alright, I'm going to clear this just so I have more space for number 3, but if you need to, you can go back and pause the video so that way you can follow along with what we have here. Alright, so again we have a circle. This time our diameter is 11. So it says find the exact area, and then we're going to approximate. If the diameter is 11, the radius is only half of that distance, which is going to be 5.5. So for part A, the area is pi times radius squared, and here we have our radius is 5.5. That means multiply 5.5 by itself, so 5.5 times 5.5, which is 30.25. Normally we write the number out front, so we're going to rearrange this because multiplication is commutative. This is our exact answer. Now we're going to approximate by using 3.14. And that gives you 94.985. And it doesn't say to round, so we can just leave it like that. And now we want the circumference. Remember, circumference is diameter times pi. In this problem, our diameter is 11, and we have pi. We're going to approximate by using 3.14. And when you take 3.14 and multiply it with 11, it comes out to 34.54. This one is measured in inches, and I forgot to make sure these were in inches squared. Area is two-dimensional, so it needs that second power. Down here, this side length is 10. Sorry, I should use a better color so you can kind of see that. This side length is 10, but it's the same distance right here. So this is also 10, which is the diameter. To figure out the radius, it's half of that distance, and half of 10 is 5. So we want area equals pi times radius squared, and our radius is 5. 5 squared says 5 times 5, which is 25. So our exact answer would be 25 pi, and this is measured in centimeters squared. It doesn't ask us to estimate or to use 3.14, so I would just leave it as something in terms of pi, so that way you have an exact answer.